Corsair unveiled a wide range of computer components at Computex 2024, catering to different segments of the PC building market. The lineup includes advanced cooling systems, power supplies, and versatile PC cases designed to enhance the building experience for both novice and experienced users. A new series of fans under the iCUE Link ecosystem was introduced, notable for combining enhanced functionality with visual appeal. The LX RGB fans, featuring dual RGB light loops, offer effective cooling solutions paired with striking visual effects. The RX Max fans, optimized for airflow and noise reduction, come in both RGB and non-RGB variants, with the latter utilizing liquid crystal polymer for increased durability. Corsair also introduced the RS series fans, designed for builders who prefer direct motherboard control. These fans simplify installation with daisy-chained PWM connectors and are available in standard and ARGB versions to suit different aesthetic preferences. In the cooling segment, Corsair launched the iCUE Link Titan series CPU coolers. These coolers use the newly designed flow drive cooling engine and a three-phase motor to maximize thermal contact and efficiency. Paired with RX RGB fans, they manage CPU heat effectively while enhancing visual appeal with an RGB pump cap. The cap swap modules, compatible with all iCUE Link coolers, offer additional customization options, including the Groove module for a unique design and the VRM fan module to improve cooling around the CPU socket, ideal for overclocking scenarios. The company also revealed the Xenion 34WQHD 240C monitor, a 34-inch curved QD-OLED display featuring a 0.03 millisecond GTG response time and a 240 Hz refresh rate. With VISA-certified Display HDR True Black 400 technology, it promises exceptional image quality and contrast. For compact computing solutions, the Corsair One i500 PC stands out, combining powerful components in a small footprint. Equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU and an Intel Core i9-14900K CPU, both liquid-cooled, it ensures high performance for gaming, content creation, and professional applications. This model is available in styles like Wood Dark and Wood Bright, with a Metal Dark version coming soon. Corsair's new SF series power supplies are now compatible with the ATX 3.1 standard, offering up to 1,000 watts of 80+ platinum-rated power. Designed for small form factor builds, these power supplies emphasize efficient space utilization and improved cable management. The case offerings have been expanded with the 3500X and 9000D RGB airflow models. The 3501X features a tempered glass design and supports large GPUs and eATX motherboards. The 9000D RGB airflow is a super tower case with the InfiniRail system, allowing adjustable fan positioning to target specific areas for enhanced cooling. It also includes an iCUE Link system hub for streamlined connections and cable management.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned for our next video.